They will put respect on your name. You will be seen as a maverick, someone who is unconventional, someone that does things on their terms. Not to say that you are a person that is hard-headed, but it's almost as if you get your insights from spirit, and what you do always works. Many people may have doubted you in the past, but you are going to achieve so much in this life that those same doubters will want to collaborate with you and invest in you. Many people will be shocked because they counted you out. And whilst they counted you out, you kept investing in yourself. You are a dynamic powerhouse. You are going to be known as the one that did it their way. And it's going to pay off. You will own that business. You will reach a leadership position. You will gain respect for your role in society. You are a leader, a very powerful leader, and you lead with purpose. You don't lead in a way whereby you try and shut others down. You don't lead in a way whereby you bulldoze over others to get to your position. No, you lead with heart, compassion. Your true strength lies with love. You lead with love. You love what you do. You pour your heart and your soul into any role you are in, any relationship, any project, any talent that you have. And you are showing a mirror to those that feel like in order to reach the top, you have to be cutthroat. You have to be ruthless. That's not your way. You're teaching others that if they were in that energy, or if they aligned with energies like that, to free themselves. You cannot be caged in. You will not be tamed. Yes, you can be strategic, and you are highly intelligent. You have a mind of a genius, and you have a heart of gold. Your compassion, your love, it exudes through you. You have a magical aura that others are drawn to. You are charismatic. You are relatable, very knowledgeable, curious, always willing to learn. You're the type of person whereby even if you are in a field and you are very established within this field, you're not afraid to learn more about this role. You're not afraid to ask questions to people that may not be in a high position, because you gather a lot of information and you make that information your own. And that's why you will always win, because you don't think you're better than anyone. And many people enjoy conversing with you. You are a fantastic conversationalist, always willing to expand, always thinking of ways to grow. You have many skills and talents. You are a master manifester. You speak things into existence on a daily. So Spirit is saying, be mindful of what you think about, because you can literally bring these thoughts into reality. So Spirit is saying to direct your thoughts more towards the positives. You are very fertile. Whenever people are around you in regards to business, people feel like the business will flourish. You have that Midas touch. You just bring good energy. Your ideas are expansive. You look out for others. It's not just about you. You have that warm, nurturing, Moorish type energy, whereby people really feel seen and heard and cared for. You nurture your environment. So whoever is around you, they flourish, they grow, they succeed. You exude the energy of love. My darling, you are the embodiment of love. And just as much as you pour into others, Spirit is saying to continue to pour into self. Because you're going to go worldwide, my darling. Your talent is extremely expansive. You may actually decide to travel this year or soon to learn a new skill, to enhance a new skill. Or some of you may decide to go university. Some of you may decide to do an online course or travel to a faraway place to study, to master something. You are abundant. And some of you are moving away from old groups. Maybe you may leave a job or restructure a job. You are non-conformist. People may not have understood your energy at first. Now these people see you as family. People may feel like you're unpredictable. You have that ability to keep people on their toes. But people don't want to lose your energy. You're one in a million. And when you are gone, your energy or lack of is felt. You are viewed as someone with a lot of spiritual power, a lot of wisdom. People may feel like connecting with you is like connecting with a spirit guide in real form. Those that doubted you in the past, they wish they didn't. They wish they invested in you. For some of you, they're making that investment and they wish they invested soon. You are going to achieve a lot. I'm talking about having businesses overseas, collaborators overseas, a business that you birth being extremely successful. You're self-made. You just might be the first millionaire or billionaire in your family. And you'll have a chain of millionaires in your family because you are a leader. You lead by example. You want everyone to win. And each and every time you went through those tower moments, you alchemized that trauma, that pain, and turned your pain into purpose. You are seen as a very powerful leader. People look up to you. You give people hope. And people will put respect on your name, my darling. You are the truth. You are the embodiment of strength. So what are you waiting for? The world is waiting for you.